Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to find the iPhone or iPad backups location on our Mac computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. Here in the screen you are seeing that my iPhone and my iPad is connected with some USB cable, and here for my iPhone I see the backup is taken lastly today 1:57 p.m. and now it is 1:58 p.m. That means just few minutes before or few moments before I took the backup. But where is the location of those backup? By default, if you try to search from here or if you try to go each folder, it is very difficult to find out. But there is a trick. Let's see how we can find that. So to check the backup location, at first we need to open the Finder. Okay, I just opened the Finder. Once you open the Finder, you will see here Finder is there, right? So now go to Go button. There is some menus are there like File, Edit, View, Go. Just click here and it will bring this type of menus. From here we have to go this thing. Go to Folder. So I'm going to click here and then it will be open. And here inside this location, basically we need to type exactly like this line actually. There is a tilde sign, then slash library slash application space support slash mobile sync slash backups. So once you type it here, then enter, hit the return key basically, and then it will open a location. And here you go. So these are the backups which I took of my iPhone or iPad. So all these are the backup things of our iPhone or iPad if we take any backup on our Mac. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily access the backup files or folder location of our Mac computer for our iPhone or iPad. And if you want to remove this thing or if you don't need this thing, you can manually delete from here. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you face any problem or issue or if you have any question, just put in the comment section.